Welcome friends, this is FX Master. In this short video, I want to quickly show you how you can connect your trading account to your MT4 or MT5 application. So you must have downloaded your MT5 already. You quickly log into your trading account. Here we are using our recommended broker, which is Exness. Now, having logged into your trading account, you want to quickly take note of these details like your server. Take note of your server, very important. Also take note of your MT5 login, which is your trading account number. Also take note of your password. Must have known your password already, but what if you've forgotten your password? Quickly click on change password, okay, and ensure your password is a suitable one as stated here. That is, it must be between 8 to 15 characters. For instance, we're going to try this. There must be a capital letters and also a lowercase letter. FX Master, okay. There must be a number. There must be a special character. Your special character could be your @ your hash or your dollar symbol. So I'm going to use dollar here. So with this, your password is fully set. You click on change password. But what if you know your password already? You may not need to go through this very process. Okay, now take note of your login details. Like I said, you want to quickly copy this MT5 login. That is your trading account number. So you click here to copy it. Now you go back to your MT5 application, click on it. No trading account connected. Yeah, so you quickly click on this hamburger menu. Click on this is the hamburger menu. It's still going to take you to this. Okay, now you click on get started. Okay, click on get started. It will still take you back here. So you quickly click on add trading account. Now you find your broker. The recommended broker is Exness. So you type in Exness. You're going to see list of options. So you quickly pick Exness Technologies Limited. Click on it. Please note at this point you don't have anything to do here. Open real account. You had already opened an account. So you want to log into an existing account. So this is where we are going to concentrate on. Okay. So remember that account number you copied, that your trading account number you copied. Come here, click and hold and paste it here. Then put in your password. Always take note of your password. Okay. Now also take note of this server. You want to go back to your trading account to confirm that the server we have here is Exness MT5 Real 10. Okay, take note. Okay, take note of the server you have there. Then you come to this place and then click on this drop down arrow and you're going to find list of servers. Quickly click on Exness MT5 Real 10. Okay, exactly the same server. Then you click on login. Okay, it is connected. So with this, your trading account is fully connected and activated on your MT5. Then you want to also add your currency pair. So you can quickly come to quotes. Click on quotes. Okay, this is quotes here. Click on quotes. Click on this add button, this plus sign. Okay, type any currency pair, maybe like your USD JPY. You click on it. You've added it automatically. It's been added. You also click on your Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. You tap on it. It's been added. So any currency pair you want to add, you can quickly add them here. So with this, your account is well connected. This is it, fully connected to your MT5 application, and it's well activated, ready to take your trade. Thank you very much.